What's up you guys, it's Vincanity, and recently in my beginner online breaking class, we learned how to do a power sweep, right? And a power sweep to me is a really good move to use in flow, but oftentimes people just use it in a very generic way. So recently, the homework in my online class was to create 5 different ways to get in or out of the power sweep. And the reason I give homework like this is because I want my students to think creatively, to learn to think creatively on their own. If I just teach you a move and you just generically use the move, I'm doing you a disservice, right? It's part of your learning journey to have to create on your own. Learn this process. If you're interested in joining one of my online classes, you can click the link below, hop in, and I'll see you soon. So today, this is not a tutorial. I'm giving you all homework. We all, at this point, understand the power sweep, right? I want you to take a power sweep and figure out 5 different ways to get either into it or out of it, right? So for example, it could be super simple. It could be something like a spin into the power sweep. It could be something like a slide into the power sweep. It could be something totally out of nowhere that makes no sense at all, but somehow you make it make sense by doing the power sweep. So it can either be something before the power sweep or power sweep into something else. For example, it could be simply power sweep jump, right? It could be power sweep spin, right? It's really up to you. I just made these examples up off the top of my head, so please don't use them. Make up your own, get creative, spend hours on hours and hours on this. Don't dismiss creativity. You are all artists. You got the tools, you got the paint, you got the brushes. Now make some art. Hope you guys are doing well. And again, if you guys are interested in joining my weekly online breaking classes, click the link below. I'll see you soon. All right, take care. Peace.